Hi, and welcome to the course on Mastering Rust. I'm Nicholas Sanakoyevi, and I will be your instructor. I am a programmer, freelancer, and online instructor. This course covers the key concepts of Rust programming language that will help you build big projects in the future. In the first section, we will look at diving into functions and ownership. We will learn a lot about ownership and how we can use ownership with different types of functions. Next, in the section 2, we will talk about compound types, where you will learn about different compound types and how to use them. Moving on, in the section 3, we will talk about cargo to build big projects and using modules. Next, in the section 4, we will handle errors, different types of errors. We will use custom error messaging and different techniques. In the section 5, we will talk about unit and integration testing, what are their differences and how you can use both unit and integration tests. And lastly, in the section 6, we will talk about maintaining concurrency in Rust, where you will learn about threads and how to use code in the parallel. The prerequisites of this course are the basic knowledge of Rust syntax, understanding scalar types, understanding logic in Rust, and understanding mutability. The course goals are for you to be able to work with functions and ownership, create and work with compound types, use cargo for big projects, and be able to handle errors and use various testing techniques and create and work with threads. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.